bringing memories to life through design. The client, an artist, had an emotional attachment to the apartment and the outdoor garden that had witnessed the family's journey for 10 years. The transformation retained the historical elements while adapting to the family's evolving needs. The design extends the kitchen towards the garden with a translucent glass roof, allowing natural light to enter and create a visual connection with the greenery outside. Materials such as white textured paint and microcrystal tiles were used to enrich the texture and lighting of the space. There's a story around every corner. A private collection of abstract paintings sits alongside an antique wooden cabinet from India, a statement that this home is not just about aesthetics, but about the owner's character and life journey. Instead of a formal, stuffy living room, the central space is designed as a warm gathering place. A long table serves as a meeting point, surrounded by an American country-style upholstered sofa, traditional rattan chairs, and leather benches that create an intimate atmosphere. There is no clear boundary between work and rest. The long table in the living room is designed to change function according to the needs of the day, sometimes a workspace, other times a space for drawing, journaling, or just sitting quietly to calm the mind. The bedroom is also designed with natural intimacy. Large windows open onto a small garden, bringing the sound of birds, the morning breeze, and the green of life into the space. Every morning feels like a new beginning, and every night is closed with curtains and tranquility. Dream House by JINGU Phoenix is not just a house, but a mirror of a life that grows slowly, from memories, from dreams, and from the courage to live more honestly with one's own space.